busy street, that same place we used to